What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to simply find your Facebook username. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Facebook application and then right there tap on your profile icon, and once you are on your profile tap on that three dots, not that beside the song but beside the edit profile button. Tap here, and now there on profile settings page, here just above the copy link button, you can get your profile link. You can copy that profile link, then paste it anywhere like notes, like that. You can paste it right here, and the part after the facebook.com slash, there is your username and there is all your profile link. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, please like and subscribe.